Let's take a look at these DIY box cutters. If you've ever worked in a warehouse or retail, these will be very familiar to you, but not everyone has used one. Most of us are familiar with utility knives, and box cutters share some similarities, but they're not quite the same. The main purpose of these box cutters is to cut box tape or cardboard. Unlike a utility knife, the tip isn't pointed. It's just a flat razor blade, and the exposed corner does the cutting. To push the blade out, you bump the back end of the cutter, usually against your hip or thigh, and do the reverse to cover the blade again. The idea here is to never get your fingers anywhere near the sharp edge. Use the ends of the tool against a flat surface to open and close it. Changing the blade is simple. Just pull the blade out from the back end and then flip the blade around so that you have a fresh razor and get back to work. I hope this short video has helped you decide if these DIY self box cutters are right for you, and thanks for watching.